There are thousands of meatball recipes out there, but I have the winner meatball recipe just for you. Juicy and tender, a little crisp on the outside, and the flavors is going to be umami and so comforting. And it is proven by my clients and their family because they fought over it. But I'm going to show you an exciting new take with the flavors of Southern Indian inspiration. Are you ready? Make some noise! Hi y'all, I'm Evelyn. Are you ready for another week of comfort, fuzzy meatball of your dreams? Did you know that meatball is not just Italian, Swedish meatball, but in Asia we have those Taiwan's famous 狮子头 lion's head meatball that is like huge, Japanese izakaya style sukune, and Singapore, Malaysia yong tau hu. I'm gonna show you how to nail the meatball as well as the sauce. The meatball will be 50% of your success rate of the recipe, but the sauce is the one that's gonna carry the other 50%. On YouTube, if you search, there's gonna be a lot of meatball and tomato soup. Beep! The algorithm. I'm gonna show you how to zest up the flavors, and we're gonna go South Indian for this one. So, what is rasam? Rasam is a recipe that they cook mostly during monsoon season. It's tangy and spicy and comforting during rainy days. Originally, it's made with tamarind, but later on as the years goes by, people are adding tomatoes into it. And best part is, you can find mostly everything in your home pantry and probably just buy one or two things off Amazon. I would like to ask for your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. It's an affirmation to me that you want to learn and know more about what is out there in the food world through my content. So we're gonna start off. The secret to a moist meatball will be a panat base. It's having milk and bread, at least not for me, so I'm using breadcrumbs instead. So we just have the breadcrumbs absorb the milk like that. See, the milk is all gone, and we cool it down. Minced beef here, the cool down panat that we just did. Cheese, lots of cheese. This is the special recipe of it that makes it so soft and umami. Chopped parsley and eggs. So next we just shape, use whatever size you want. I like small ones. Small is more delicate, and when it's too big, it's too difficult to eat. So this is the spices of rasam: toasted coriander seed, toasted cumins and toasted red chilies, fenugreek. So we're gonna start searing. Dutch oven pan. You can sear it with saute pan. So we want to make sure that we color all sides. Does make a difference in flavor. We're not trying to cook it here. We're just trying to give a beautiful crust. That's all. We're gonna do the exciting part now. Is the sauce base. I didn't clean the pan. I just left it as it is because the fronds from the meatball does have flavor. And we're gonna bloom the spices: mustard seeds, cumin, and turmeric. So we let it bloom, and then add in the rasam powder. Just add a teaspoon. I can smell the spices already. And then I'll add the garlic. Oh my god, it smells so good! If I'm my neighbor, I'll be happy. I'm just gonna deglaze with a little bit of water. Smell-o-vision! And then we're gonna add tomato. And make sure you season with salt to balance off acidity. Step right up, step right up. Put in the meatball. We close the lid and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. So after 20 minutes of simmer, this is what we have. Oh, it smells so good. Can you smell? You can when you do it eventually. You can do it! So I'm gonna scoop it up. You can probably eat this with rice, pasta, toasted bread. I think it would be good. But today I'm just gonna eat it plain like that. Meatball inspired by rasam. Oh, so you can see it's juicy, fork tender. This is super tender, tangy. But you can taste all the cumin, all the coriander, the turmeric. So it's not just a flat, straight tomato base. Excite your palate once in a while in this getting cold temperature. Please comment, let me know if you have done this, or maybe if you thought of doing something on your end, on your culture that's tomato based as well. Let me know. I'll be curious to know what you guys try on your end. And remember, if you embrace creativity in life, you can cook, eat, and live like a happivore. See you next week!